Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create your own habit tracker in Excel. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, we have to add a title. For example, habit tracker. Now after that, go to 5th row and then add the word habit. And then now leave a one row and then proceed to the next row and then number it from 1 to 31. Now after that, add a status and then a percentage. We're gonna use that later. Now after that, we have to resize all of the columns for about 24. Now after that, select the cell below the number 1 and then go to insert and then select the checkbox. Now you have to drag it, depends on how many you want the checkbox is. Now after that, go to status and enter this formula. Now you have to drag the first row up till the 31 and then comma. Now type true. Now select or type the range of your days. Now as you can see, if I check the checkbox, it will change the status. Now go overhead to percentage and then type this formula. Count if and then drag again the entire row of days. And now click comma and then type true and then over the number of days. Now select the percentage and go to format the number and change it to percent, just like that. Now drag it all the way down the entire column. Now we're done with the format. We're just going to design our habit tracker. What I'm going to do now is to merge the header of these cells, and then I'm going to center this text and then change its size to a bigger one. I'm just gonna center this also. Now what I'm going to do is to change the size of this row. This will be serve as the divider or the border of our table. Now after that, select the entire size of your habit tracker and then go to borders and you can add it some border just like that. Now you can choose different styles of border from there. Now we also have to center the text of this status and then the percentage. Now select the percentage and go to format and then select the conditional formatting. Now go to color scale and change its color from white to green. Now after that, just add some color to your habit tracker and then make the design you want. You can also change its font, just like this. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.